Using a third colored pencil, darken the section of the number line where x is less than -4 or x is greater than 0. All right, less than -4, we'll put an open dot on 4 to show we want to get close, but not quite touch it. And x is greater than 0, again, open. It's not 0, but it can get as close as we can get. All right, now I'm going to want you to think about some of the implications of what we saw with the or from D, E, and F. Next, we're going to move into graphing the compound sentence x is greater than -2 or equal to -2 on the number line below. I want you to try G, H, and F. X is greater than -2, sorry, down here and slide on up. Interesting, the next value is -2, x equals -2. What they're really asking us to do is just fill in the dot. So our final answer is going to be something along the same lines as what we had before, but we're going to close the opening implied by the greater than. How could we abbreviate x greater than -2 or x equal to -2? Well, that's a pretty simple process. We're going to combine both symbols, and x is going to be greater than or equal to -2. So let's rewrite x is less than or equal to 4 as a compound sentence. All right, that means x is either less than 4 or x is equal to 4. Fairly simple, and when we graph it, because we have the less than or equal to, a nice little solid dot on 4 sliding down into the negative zone will be fine. Example 2. Graph each compound sentence on a number line. Interestingly, we have two questions with an or. Or means we have two choices. Let's have a look. X equals 2 or x is greater than 6. We're going to have to expand this number line a little bit. Give ourselves a 6, another color so we can see it. Open dot on 6 and slide up. Two answers. One here and all of this area here. X is less than or equal to -5. Less than or equal to -5. Solid dot, slide down. X is greater than or equal to 2. Solid dot, slide up. Two answers in both cases, mostly due, well, completely due to the or. Now we look at the next question, C. Rewrite as a compound sentence and graph the sentence on a number line. Well, what we're saying is either x is greater than or equal to 1, and it is also less than or equal to 3. I would much rather think about this. I'd rather think that x is between 1 and 3. Seems so much simpler to think about graphing something being between. Let's go ahead and have a color. I don't know, I hope I got it. X is between 1 and 3. 1 and 3. And all the values that are between are all of these. We're talking about 3/2, 2, 2.5, 1.8, 2.9, and we're also including 1 and 3 for the extremes.